We're a Thames agency based in Ashford in Kent. I'll get straight to it. So basically we come across your listing here. We identify that it's one that is slightly better than it currently is, or a lot better than it currently is. Just want to take you through some numbers and some reason behind that, maybe we can figure out why the difference is there. So we are comparing you to your competitor here, Silent Night. I know it's a brand name, but against them. They're doing 186,000 a month, whereas you got 1,000. So quite a start there. And then let's start investing right. So initially, I think the keyword take 1 percentage. And this kind of just establishes how well listing is, and what your keywords that are relevant to the niche. Before we bring on the 99% keywords, relevant keywords in the niche, and you 79 is actually still a respectable number. But 99, 39, kind of get it. It might be a bit different. So if you look at the front end stuff, I actually quite like these. So it's not necessarily serving the algorithm, the does look very neat, doesn't look very appealing to the buyer. But I'm probably showing more keywords and just do currency shop or more words. Good points again. In this situation, I actually prefer shorter bullet points. More of a punch with SEO. It's more compelling for the customer read. But again, you probably make this a little more uniform. Capitalize the SEO value a little bit. Have a look at the images. Again, they're quite basic. There's quite a lot of room for improvement there. Especially if you're something like Divo, where it tends to go around like like the images are a good place to kind of understand that and get that point across. So you've got the videos. Plus content. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's good that you've utilised it. One. Number 2, you'd probably say it's a little bit dated. Content used in content section. So have a look at your competition, see where they might perform a little bit better. So the title's actually not too different. And even the bullet points really, maybe they're just piggybacking on the branding a little bit more motivated. Have a look at the images, they're on a different level. The brand is very consistent, nice and clean. I mean, you have to kind of think of like the bar in bed, right? So like relaxing, there's not millions of graphics flying out everywhere to come across in the world. So so this makes sense. Not necessarily a massive fan of this image, but again, it's informative. So it's just slightly another level to your images. We scroll down, here's the to me. Then we made content, which still carousel model here, which looks great. Here, video there. People, it always helps. Essentially, the A-plus content that you've got reportedly increased sales by 8%. This is how many words sales and make content can up to that's the type of difference. So it's always with Retail-Outsource. Basically, your you. I guess to you, or we can have a meeting like Zoom, and also for your list optimization. So that's of interest to you. Do not hesitate